Rear sway bar mounts on 65 through 89 stock Porsche 911 series cars have a nasty habit of tearing away from the body. Stiff sway bars and aggressive driving only accelerate the inevitable mount failure. So replace your OEM mounts with these super strong aftermarket mounts from Elephant Racing and solve the problem for good. Our mounts feature fully machined surfaces for a precision fit. The material thickness is consistent for an easy installation. They also feature tighter tolerances, more surface area, and are stronger than any other rear sway bar mounts available. The mounts have two sets of screw holes to fit both the 66mm bolt spacing as equipped on 78 through 89 cars, as well as the 56mm bolt spacing as equipped on 65 through 77 cars. They require grinding off the factory mounts and welding for installation. Available for 65 through 89 Porsche 911, 912, and 930 cars.